Now, after 2 days of the show, I can say that we have already had as many talks as during 4 days of the previous exhibition.
For German machinery and plant is huge here in Russia, and we expect growing numbers of sales and quite good business for the next years.
It is a good place to meet buyers, and it is the main exhibition for Finnish companies in Russia which are doing this kind of business. They have done the business so many years in Russia that they have potential clients and for many years, so they will come here and do the business.
In comparison to the previous edition, I can see that there are more visitors who have specific questions and proposals which can lead to cooperation in the future.
The impression is great because it's one of the exhibitions that is growing every edition. And we are proud to say, as Italians, that we were here since the beginning.
Lesdrevmash is a very good platform. It is as well a traditional platform. It's a good chance to meet the real important people in the industry. Yes, of course. We are just at the second day of the show, but the impression is good. There are many visitors. I also talked with exhibitors from Italy, and up to now they are quite satisfied about the results they got from the visit.
Yeah, we had very good attendance today. The potential in Russia is bigger, we expect. There's so much to be done in the wood industry.
Russian Federation has 25% of the all sources of wood all over the world. So what we believe is the industry must grow year by year.
There are also more really serious visitors who come with specific offers. Sometimes we don't know some Russian laws and regulations or face some logistics problems. It makes it very important to find a Russian partner who can help to solve these issues. I would like to highlight the importance of the Japan Pavilion and thank Expo Center for this opportunity and support.
Italy and Russia can make the best partnership because they are very similar, they are complementary. We face a solution and we want to exchange this solution with the Russian friends.